Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we are going to talk about the product that is Portronics. This is a laptop table basically, which is also portable. You can carry it anywhere with you. Like suppose you want to work in your bedroom, you can work on your bed with it. You can sit on your couch and work. It is very handy. So you can see the material is very good. The wood itself looks very solid. Here I am trying to show you the height that you can adjust and also the tilt, the slope, like you want certain angle to work with, which makes you comfortable while working. So you can adjust the angle using this clip like so. Also the height of this laptop table can be adjusted using the gaps, which I'll just show you. You can see this button when you press it, and also press the table from the top, the height will decrease. See, this way. You can also increase the height, same way. So both the legs are made up of aluminum and it is quite strong, guys, and you can use it for working on your laptop or writing in a book. Also it is very much good if you want to watch some kind of shows or series and lying on bed. You can just place your laptop on this comfortably and watch it. Also there is a wire which you can see. So this is for rotating the fan. The fan works, there is a fan inside it which is inbuilt. It is built to make your laptop keep cool. Sometimes when we are running our laptops for a very long time, it tends to get very hot, so it will help you to cool your laptop. This thing is available on Amazon. You can buy it from there, and for your convenience I can give you the link below in the description box. The color is also very good and it looks very woody kind of texture. This is the solid support which you get to place your laptop. This is the support for your hands. It is very soft and silicone material. You can place your hands very comfortably on it. So while working, sometimes our hands or wrist feels very uncomfortness, but here you won't feel anything like that. Here I have showed you how to place your laptop on it, and this will be the support. This way your laptop won't fall. This is a 14-inch laptop. Even after placing it, you get certain amount of space where you can place your notepad or your coffee mug or anything that you want to place there. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please like and also subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video, guys. Till then, take care. Bye bye.